Hey everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com, and in this video we're going to take a look at a long trade setup in ZTS. I think it's pronounced ZTS, but it's a healthcare name that just broke out of a multi-month consolidation. But before we do, I just want to touch on something. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you'll know that I tweeted something out this morning that Fossil was a pass. I didn't end up taking the trade personally because of the huge gap down. And this is something where, it's going to really depend on your own judgment. But obviously, the way I trade, I buy at the open, sell at the open, depending on whatever way I'm going. So today, Fossil gap down just about 7%. You could see that right here on the chart. All right, so huge gap down. Looked like, we were going to potentially get in up here around 75. The opening price that we would have gotten in was around 70.97. That's not the type of trade I want. All right, I don't want to trade this huge gap down. I want to be in it for the gap down, but I don't want to trade it. So I ended up passing on Fossil this morning. If you guys weren't so lucky and you did get filled, I would just take and move my stop real tight to today's high. All right, so that would be how I would play it. If you guys want, again, bought it at the open and got long, I would just put my stop right here. The high was 71.99, so call it 72. So say you trade 72.25, I'd get out around there. Just because now it's got this huge gap to fill. We bounced off the lows. I just don't think anymore it's a good risk reward setup for the trade that we were looking at yesterday. So again, that's one thing that you just have to kind of keep in mind, that when we do trade at the open, just make sure you kind of identify what the trade price is about. You don't want to be trading into these huge gaps. It's not the way we're looking to trade. So again, Fossil was a pass this morning. One that we are looking at is ZTS. I think that's how you say it. And this is a healthcare name. Healthcare stocks have been extremely strong as of late. You could see ZTS has been trending higher since really the middle of last year, and now has just broken out of a consolidation. Here's the consolidation on the weekly chart. You can see it's also consolidated here on the weekly. All right, so here's that same consolidation on now the daily chart. All right here. Pretty much between 47.75 and 44.50. So this is the setup that I'm looking at right now. Getting long this stock on its move, on this breakout. All right, with a stop right down here. You have two potential areas. Okay, so you have potential area number one, more conservative again, 44.30. I think that's probably the best. And then you have another area right here, right around this 45 level. Okay, with this small, maybe weak consolidation right through here. So either way, I think, depending on where you get in tomorrow, it's trading 49.45. If you're looking to risk under 10%, you probably want to be right here around 45.24. But remember, you can go 44.33, be in it and see what happens, and then maybe add to it, because you don't know if this one's going to be the runner or not. So, my recommendation, go 44.33, call 44.25, get in it, see how it reacts, and then you can always add to the position later. So that's how I'm playing it. Again, any questions or comments, please leave them below. Oh, and before I let you go, I did make a mention of Broadcom. Again, the members were alerted to this. Breakout over 47 was the area that we were looking to get long the stock. Sure enough, today up 21.5%. So I hope you guys, again, think about joining the premium membership. We do offer a lot of great tools to help you learn, help you get on the right side of these trades. We had no idea that this was going to happen, up 21.5%. I have no clue. All right, I looked at a setup, and this is what the setup looked like. Breakout to new highs. I identified over 47 bucks you want to get in. Trend line was there, consolidation was there, everything was there that we typically look at. We just got lucky on this one, got a 20% move in one day. So again, I hope you guys really consider joining the premium membership. We go over this, we go over trade portfolios, diversification, a whole bunch of things. And if you haven't heard, I'm introducing monthly reviews, one-on-one sessions every month. where we're going to sit down, go over your portfolio, any questions or comments, and it's me and you. That's it. So as of right now, I think those are some great tools. And I'm always looking to expand the service. So if there's something out there that you don't have, that you haven't found, that you want, email me, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. All right. So again, that's it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.